YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing a wig review. I have Zury Sis and I finally got my hands on the Zury Ben wig, y'all. And I finally got the color that I want. Check it out. Y'all know I've been stocking this wig for about a month almost, and I just really wanted to try this color, and it's just gorgeous. So the wig comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and also comes with straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace, and then I'm gonna style it, and I'll be right back. So I styled the wig. My baby hairs is starting to lift, so please excuse that part, but let me see if I can fix it, y'all, because it's gonna bother me. This stays in place, so hopefully it stays in place. So if it moves around, y'all know what's going on. All right, so once again, this is the Zury Sis sister wig. The style is BYD Lace H Ben, and the color that I have it in is FFT Amber, and it is so pretty, y'all. It has a light amber blonde, and then it goes to an amber, and at the top it's a 4. It's just straight popping. So I will do a 360, so just hold tight. And then this is a tie-dye lit collection, so it does have other lit colors. It has this color right here. It's a tie-dye rainbow color. And then right here it's a grayish color. And then on the back it's an orange color. So this wig is heat safe up to 400. The lace is hand tied. The density on this wig is a natural density. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's just a perfect density. It flows really well. To me, this is about, I think this part right here is about between 8 to 10 inches. To me it looks more like a 9, but I'm thinking it's a 10 right here, and then right here is probably an 8. And then the cap size is small and big head friendly. I do not have any shedding at the moment, and of course I didn't have any tangling. And the luster on this wig is very beautiful. It's a natural sheen to it. It's just gorgeous. This color, y'all, it is just so gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 front, side, and I don't know how the back is looking, y'all, so if it's looking wiggish, I didn't do anything to the back. Normally after I do the reviews and once I wear it, if it looks like it's too bumped in the back, I normally put a flat iron over it. I just want to show you guys how the wig looks exactly out the pack. So overall, my thoughts on this wig, I absolutely love it. This is a gorgeous wig. The color is just so pretty. It's just really, really nice. Logan, I'm recording. And excuse me if you hear my son in the background playing. He just thinks he's the only one in the house. But anyway, I really love this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review. If you did, thumbs me up. If you found this video very informative, I am so happy I finally got my hands on this wig, y'all. It is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Anyways, y'all, hope y'all have a great week. See you later.